Welcome to Simplified Reads, your cozy corner for discovering books that inspire, uplift, and remind us of the best in humanity. In this video, we'll explore 10 exceptional books published between 2024 and 2025 that will restore your faith in humanity. From collections of short, feel-good stories to powerful memoirs and thought-provoking novels, each book offers a unique perspective on courage, kindness, hope, and resilience. These stories don't just entertain. They leave you reflecting on the depth of human connection and the enduring goodness in our world. Whether you want quick bursts of inspiration or deep, reflective narratives, this list has something for every reader seeking to believe in the better side of humanity. Short, sweet, and uplifting. 72 positive and inspirational stories that will make you believe in humanity by Charlie Miller is an ideal starting point for anyone looking for immediate doses of hope. The book compiles 72 short stories that highlight acts of kindness, generosity, and selflessness, reminding readers that even the smallest gestures can have profound effects. Each story is designed to be short and digestible, allowing readers to pause, reflect, and internalize the uplifting message without committing to long chapters or complex narratives. Its strength lies in the sheer variety of stories, from strangers helping each other in unexpected ways to everyday moments of compassion that often go unnoticed. While some readers may feel the stories are overly idealistic or lacking literary depth, the book works best when approached with openness and a reflective mindset. Taking the time to journal thoughts, discuss stories with friends, or even rereading the ones that resonate can enhance the experience. The book typically costs between $12, $20 USD, depending on format. In Soldiers and Kings, Survival and Hope in the World of Human Smuggling, Jason de León offers a deeply moving and intense exploration of human resilience in extreme circumstances. Drawing on 7 years of immersive research, the book chronicles the lives of migrants and smugglers, offering readers a raw and authentic look into the struggles and triumphs of people navigating life-threatening situations. De Leon's writing humanizes individuals often reduced to statistics, highlighting their courage, ingenuity, and unwavering hope even in the face of overwhelming adversity. While the book is highly impactful, its intense subject matter, touching on migration, danger, and systemic injustice, may be emotionally heavy for some readers seeking lighter fare. To gain the most from this book, approach it with patience and reflection, allowing space to process both the hardships and the small moments of human kindness interwoven throughout. It is generally priced between $19 and $27 USD. Banu Mushtaq's Heartland Selected Stories transports readers into the lives of marginalized women in southern India, exploring themes of resilience, courage, and human dignity. Across its 12 short stories, the book captures the subtle and profound ways individuals navigate societal pressures, gender dynamics, and personal challenges, illustrating the enduring strength of the human spirit. Mushtaq's nuanced storytelling illuminates the everyday triumphs and struggles of her characters, reminding readers that hope can emerge even in difficult circumstances. That said, the book's emotionally weighty content and cultural specificity may be challenging for some readers, and the short story format might feel fragmented compared to a novel. To fully appreciate the depth of the stories, it helps to read slowly and reflectively, perhaps taking notes on the moral and cultural nuances. The book is typically priced around $20 US, with shipping adding to international costs. The Lucky Ones by Zara Chowdhary is a memoir that vividly recounts the author's experiences surviving communal violence in India, emphasizing resilience, community, and the human will to rebuild. Through her deeply personal lens, readers witness both the vulnerability and extraordinary strength of individuals facing unimaginable circumstances. This book doesn't shy away from the harsh realities of trauma, but balances it with the hope, courage, and solidarity that emerge in the aftermath of violence. Its emotional intensity may not appeal to readers looking solely for lighthearted stories, but approaching it with empathy allows one to appreciate the profound lessons about human endurance and the bonds that sustain us. The memoir generally costs $20, $30 USD, plus shipping for international buyers. Only Good Things 2024, edited by Brent Lindeek, is a remarkable collection of 100 inspiring real-life stories that celebrate bravery, creativity, and everyday acts of kindness. Drawing primarily from South Africa, these stories showcase the remarkable ways people support one another, innovate under pressure, and create positive change in their communities. Its explicit focus on positivity and tangible examples of goodness makes it highly effective for restoring faith in humanity. On the flip side, some readers may find the stories overly optimistic or lacking in complex narrative depth. To maximize the impact, it is best to read the anthology in segments, allowing each story to leave a lasting impression and inspire reflection or discussion. The book is priced around $37 with international shipping required for some regions. Sonia Waston's memoir, An Impossible Life, a true story of hope and mental illness, provides a powerful and unflinching look into the realities of living with mental illness and the journey toward recovery. Through candid storytelling, the book illustrates vulnerability, perseverance, and the transformative power of human support. It demonstrates that even in moments of profound struggle, hope and resilience can prevail. Readers should be prepared for the intensity of the subject matter, as it includes experiences of hospitalization and personal hardships. But the book's authenticity makes it deeply moving and impactful. To gain the most from it, readers should engage thoughtfully, reflecting on the themes of empathy, human connection, and recovery. Audiobook versions are priced around $25, with print copies available for import. In Tailwind Tales, Uplifting Real-Life Stories, Lalita Anand presents short, motivational stories geared primarily toward young adults, though readers of all ages can enjoy them. Each story highlights resilience, personal growth, and the positive impact individuals can have on others, making it a strong choice for those seeking uplifting and inspiring content. While some adult readers may find the writing style simpler, the universal values conveyed, kindness, courage, and hope, resonate deeply. To get the most from the book, readers should pause to reflect on the lessons in each story and consider how they apply to real-life situations. This book is priced around $11, with audiobook and ebook options providing additional accessibility. Patrick Ryan's Buckeye is a multi-generational novel that spans decades, exploring family, community, and human relationships. The story delves into the complexities of love, loyalty, and personal growth, illustrating how human connection and resilience persist across generations. Its richly detailed narrative offers readers a deep exploration of character development and interwoven family dynamics. However, its length and complexity may be challenging for readers looking for short, uplifting anecdotes. To fully benefit, readers should immerse themselves in the characters' experiences, reflecting on the values and lessons embedded in their interactions. The novel is priced around $30. The Unseen Truth, When Race Changed Sight in America, by Sarah Lewis, examines the ways race and perception shaped visual culture in America, uncovering hidden histories and shedding light on often overlooked narratives. By exploring these layers of history, the book inspires readers to reconsider assumptions, recognize human dignity, and appreciate the power of awareness and social change. Its academic and dense style may not appeal to all, but pacing the book slowly and reflecting on its lessons enhances its emotional and intellectual impact. The book is priced around $35. Finally, Tina Knoll's memoir, Matriarch, a memoir, chronicles her journey of personal resilience, family leadership, and the wisdom passed across generations. By focusing on universal themes such as care, perseverance, mentorship, and nurturing relationships, it highlights how individuals can positively influence those around them, reinforcing faith in human potential. While some readers may be less drawn to the celebrity-adjacent context, Focusing on the broader human lessons allows the memoir to resonate widely. Copies are priced around $35 with discounts sometimes bringing it closer to $24 Together, these 10 books provide a diverse and inspiring portrait of humanity, highlighting resilience, empathy, courage, and hope. Whether through memoir, novel, or short story collection, each book demonstrates that despite challenges, the human spirit endures and thrives. Thank you for joining us at Simplified Reads. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more book recommendations designed to uplift, inspire, and remind you of the best in humanity.